Houston with CRU Chocolate.
And my name is Carla McNeil.
Yeah, so we bring in cacao from Central America, Nicaragua, Honduras, and Guatemala. Here we're filling up the bucket, getting ready to roast some Nicaragua cacao. This is from Matagalpa in Nicaragua. From our friend Gif, who sources it from a lot of farmers right around near him. And it's fine flavored cacao, so that's good varietals, treated really well, and fermented incredibly well. Bicolor es diferente. So this is it's a very white cacao. It's a cousin, it's actually a bicolor, it's related to cacao, it's a cousin.
So if you open it, looks like this.
It tastes more like a cashew than it does a cacao.
Yeah, different fats and different flavors.
So what does the computer do?
So this will keep track of the temperature over time of the roast. Still, a lot of it is sensorial, so you're smelling it as the acetic acid, the vinegar smell comes off at first, and then the moisture, and then it starts smelling like, just before it starts smelling like brownies, it's done. And mostly, I'll get a graph of so this is time and this is temperature, so you can see how it changes over time. And mostly, if I get a roast that tastes better, I can go look and see what I screwed up and made it taste better and make adjustments. Yeah. Cracker, some spinning blades. So the beans will drop through here, break into small pieces. They drop through here, and a vacuum will be pulling the shell up. You want to come around down here. These will come out down here. So yeah, since the shell is lighter than the nibs, the vacuum creates a vacuum pulling this way, and the shells get pulled up into this container. And since the nibs are heavier, they drop down into the bucket. Shredded chocolate looks like. So we sell this to coffee shops, and then they'll use this to make mochas out of. So they'll melt this in water, and then they'll mix that in with the espresso and the milk or whatever to make a mocha.
Sometimes people are always asking us, like, how do you make European chocolate? You know, how do you make American hot chocolate? And it's not that chocolate.